Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be explaining the relation between LCM and HCF. Relation between LCM and HCF. Now, A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. Now here, A and B are numbers. A and B are numbers, and LCM you all know, least common multiple. LCM is least common multiple. HCF is highest common factor. Now I'll explain you why this relation has come. Now if at all I have two numbers 12 and 15. Now what will be the LCM of it? Is 12 and 15. So 3 4s, 3 5s, 2 2s and 5 as it is. So LCM is 3 into 2, 2 into 5, that is 60. Now what will be the HCF of it? 12 is the smallest number and 15 is a bigger one. So this is dividend. 12 ones is 12. So when you subtract, you're going to get remainder as 3. As 3 is smaller, take this 12 down as dividend. Now 3 4s is 12. When you subtract, you're going to get remainder as 0. So HCF is 3. Yes. So here now here two numbers are 12 into 15, sorry. Two numbers are 12 into 15, that is, what is the LCM? 60. Now what is HCF we got? As 3. Now check it out whether it is same or not. Now 15 twos is 30. 15 ones is 15 plus 3 is 18. Now 60 into 3 is 180. You got both the answers are same. That means what we have, the relation, that is A into B is equal to LCM into HCF is proved. Yes. So this is the relation where if at all they give you two numbers, and if they give LCM, if at all they ask you to find out HCF, you can easily find out by substituting the values in this formula. So let me give few examples related to this formula. The LCM of two numbers is 60. If the product of two numbers is 180, find their HCF. Now what is given? LCM is given, product of two numbers is given, and they are asking you to find out HCF. Now let me list out what is given. So given LCM is 60, product of two numbers, product of two numbers is equal to 180, and HCF you need to find out. Now what is the formula which you have? LCM and HCF along with the two numbers. Now the formula is A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. So this is the formula to be used over here. Now product, this A and B are numbers. Now here product of two numbers are given, that is 180 is equal to LCM is 60 into HCF. Now we need to find out the HCF. So send this number to this side. Now here this relation between this is multiplication. When it goes to the other side, it becomes division. So 180 by 60 is equal to HCF. Now 0 0 cancel, 6 1 6 3. So HCF is 3. Yes. So let me repeat once again. So first you have to analyze what is given and what you have to find out. Here they have given the LCM of two numbers, that is 60. Product of two numbers is given as 180. product of two numbers is 180. So product of two numbers is nothing but we can consider it as A into B. Yes, and you need to find out HCF. Now here what is the relation you have with this LCM and HCF and the numbers is A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. So substitute these values in this and find out the HCF. Yes, so hope you have understood this. So let me take one more example. So the next problem is the HCF of two numbers is 40. If the product of two numbers is 52,800, find their LCM. Now here what is given? HCF is given, product of two numbers is given, you need to find out LCM over here. So let me list out what is given in it. Now given HCF is 40, product of two numbers I can take it as A into B, that is 52,800, and you need to find out LCM over here. Yes, so you have a formula related to this, that is A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. Now this is the formula we are going to use over here. Now what is the product of two numbers given? 52,800 is equal to, now what is the LCM? Now we need to find out LCM. So write as it is LCM. Now HCF is 40. Now what is the relation between these two? It is multiplication. When I take this to the other side, it becomes division. So that is 52,800 is divided by 40. So the obtained answer will be LCM. So let's simplify it. 0 cancels. Now with 4 ones is 4, 4 threes is 12, 4 twos is 8, and 0 as it is. So the LCM is 1320. Yes, so let me explain once again. Now after reading the question, you have to analyze what is given and what you have to find out. So here given is HCF of two numbers is 40, product of two numbers is 52,800, and LCM we need to find out. Now we have a formula, that is A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. So substitute these values over here and find out the LCM. Now here I have just listed out as 4 in LCM into 40 is given. Now send this 40 to other side. The relation between them is multiplication. When it goes to other side, it becomes division. Simplify it and find out the LCM. So let me explain the next problem. The next question is, if HCF of two numbers is 12, the LCM of two numbers is 72, one of the number is 24, find the other number. So what is given over here? HCF is given, LCM is given, one number is given, and you need to find out the other number. So here given, so list out what is given. So given is HCF, that is 12, LCM is also given, that is 72. Next one number is given, so I am assuming it as A, that is 24, and you need to find out the B value. Now what is the formula you have with this? Now you have A into B is equal to A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. So this is the formula we are going to use here, and now substitute the values of it. A into B. Now what is A over here? It is 24 into Now B is not known, so write B as it is. LCM is 72 into, and HCF is 12. Now you need to find out the value of B over here. So B is equal to 72 into 12. Now here 24 is multiplied with B. When it goes to other side, it becomes division. So 24 is written in the denominator. Now do simplification, that is 12 ones is 12, 12 twos is 24, 2 ones to 36. So B is 36. So let me explain once again. So read the question and understand what is given and what you have to find out. So here HCF is given, that is HCF is 12, LCM is 72, so the LCM is 72. One number is given as 24, so I am assuming it as A is 24, and we need to find out the value of B. So here the relation between them is A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. So A into B is nothing but product of numbers. So here A value is 24, so 24 into B. So we don't know the value of B, so let it be B as it is, into 72 into 12. So now simplify it to find out B. So after simplifying, we got it as B value as 36. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.